In this lesson, we'll see how to create professional looking designs with stickers.
I'm going to go to Unsplash, type in lion for my search, and then scroll until I find one I like. There it is. I'm going to view it, and then I'm going to save it to my photos. Then I'll open my PS Express app and get my lion. I'm going to pick the effects, and then pick grunge. I like the second one here. It gives me a nice brick background and a little bit of a distressed look. And I'm going to scroll over and pick my stickers. Swipe through your stickers until you get to the compass. Position the compass, resize it, and rotate it to fit into your composition. Then tap Share and save your composition to your camera roll. You've just made a lovely digital image composition using stickers.